Go Rhinos has been a mass public art event that charged through the streets of Southampton this summer. So from July to September this year, the Southampton city centre has been completely awash with rhino sculptures. There are lots of different reasons why Marwell decided to get involved in this project. Obviously to build links with the local business community and schools within the region, but also to attract people into Southampton city centre, to help people discover parts of the city they didn't necessarily know about, to raise the profile of the rhino and our conservation work in general, but generally just to it put a great big smile on everyone's faces, which I think we really did succeed in doing.
Go Rhinos has been about bringing together the local community from a business context, also schools, artists and the people of Southampton, to really show that Marwell Zoo is a lot more than just a zoo. We do overseas conservation work, projects all over the world, and a great opportunity for us then to showcase this work and get people involved in it. We've been absolutely delighted with the success of this project. We've had over 100 rhinos on the streets of Southampton. We know from some of the feedback we've had that people, residents of Southampton and visits to the city have really enjoyed doing the trail. We know artists have enjoyed showing their work, and we know people have been very appreciative of it. We've had almost 5,000 school children benefit from outreach work. It's been really terrific, and we've really enjoyed every moment of it.
Most people, of course, will know Marwell from our zoological park here near Winchester. What many people don't know is that we actually have conservation programs across the world, and particularly in Africa. And for the last decade and a half, we've been focusing on rhinos, and particularly in the protected areas in Zimbabwe, where we help with the anti-poaching patrols and how to monitor these animals in their natural habitats. And of course, there's been a recent upsurge in poaching, driven by greater demand for rhino horn in Southeast Asia. And that's creating bigger pressures on these wonderful animals. And so the money that we can generate through running the park and through events like Go Rhinos helps us to continue that really valuable work.
The Rose Road Association has been supporting children and young people with complex disabilities and health needs for over 60 years now. It was our Diamond Jubilee last year, and it was a wonderful year. And we provide a different range of services for different young people. So we provide respite, we provide outreach, we provide after-school play schemes. There's a whole range of different things, and we work with some very inspirational young people. The money raised through the Go Rhinos project will make a significant difference to the work that we do. One of the examples of where fundraising has helped and where the fundraising through this project will help us is to develop the sorts of facilities that you see here. This is a specialist soft play room with some fantastic equipment, some interactive areas so the young people can do their own thing, they can interact with their surroundings, improve their communication skills. It's those sorts of things that make a big difference. And so improving these sorts of facilities that we have here is at the heart of what we do, and that's where that money will go.
Wessex Heartbeat has been around for 21 years, and we raise money to improve cardiac care in one of the best cardiac centres in the country, which is the Wessex Cardiac Centre at Southampton General Hospital over there. We raise the money for other people to provide the service, for the doctors and the nurses, clinicians, and we've had 3 major projects, of which Heartbeat House, which is behind us, is one, for relatives of patients. We've at the moment got our High Five appeal, which is a £500,000 appeal, and we've raised 400,000, and we're on our final push for the last 100,000 to give young people a special place in hospital where they can be day to day and live more normal lives.
This auction is really important for us because we hope as a result of today we're going to generate a lot of money that we need to help with our work both here and overseas. And I really urge you to be part of that, to dig deep, become part of the Go Rhinos project, and also to purchase a piece of unique artwork which says so much about Marwell, the city of Southampton, and all that our partners and friends have achieved with your help this year. Please, please do bid, and let's get those wallets out. Thank you.